Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today guys, I promised you, today is Wednesday, October the 28th, and I promised you guys that I will take these boxes that I showed you that actually ordered something and I wanted to share with you. You guys know I'm a minimalist. I live very simple, and I know I have a couple of people on this channel that kind of like are one and the same. Uh, you guys like mostly like woodsy natural stuff. So I have never like ordered any like perfumes offline or anything like that because I usually go to my own city and buy from a local person with oils and stuff. But I said if I ever like have wanted to buy fragrances, I would buy only vegan and cruelty-free items. So guys, that's what I have here, and I just want to be the first to share them with you guys. You guys are the first to see. So let's cut this box open and see what we got. Okay, so let me hide what I can so you guys won't know where I live at or anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And guys, if there is a code here, I am going to give it to you guys to use, and so you can get something off of whatever you would like to order. Oh gosh, this packaging. So guys, I hope you all have had an amazing day, and it has brought you something great, whether it was stay at home working, able to get out for a moment to enjoy the great outdoors. Here in Ohio, it was, I'm gonna say maybe 55. The sun finally came poking through a little bit. Overall, I had a wonderful and blessed day. So the day is not over. So I believe in my heart it still will be, still be a great day. So guys, with this company, I ordered these products, I think probably around October the 12th. And I got, you guys seen that I got a box yesterday and I got a box the day before. So that is how long. So I'm gonna say maybe like 2 weeks because it is almost approaching the end of the month. So that's how long it took, which I'm gonna say wasn't really that bad. Ooh, this stuff is packaged good, y'all. I can't say that. Y'all don't have to worry about the packaging. And then yesterday, I think I shared with you guys that I was able to scrape off that stuff that's on that box. So guys, I will be using this to put in my closet. As you can see, it has like levels to it, like so. I'm going to be putting this in my closet to house what I'm going to show you. So guys, I got some orders from, is this my label? Wait, hold on, let's see something. Is this, well, I got 3. Let me just go ahead and put them out here. This is the other box. And let me get it out so you guys can't see. This is my first time sharing with you guys, so I'm super excited. Super excited. So, I ordered 3 fragrances, like I said, and let me put my glasses on and then I can show you guys and share with you what fragrances that they were. I ordered, what is this one? This one says floral cedarwood. I don't see one for the other one. Maybe it's inside. Let's see if it's inside here. So guys, these products are from Dossier. I love, 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 love. When I found out about this company, I was thrilled because like I said, you guys know I love natural things. Oh yeah, they have everything in here. And then I can tell you guys, everything is vegan, cruelty-free, clean ingredients, and made from France, okay? So come on now, risk-free order. You get a sample with your product. So this is how the box comes, like that, as you can see. I love the packaging, it's so simple. And like I said, inside it tells you what it is and a little bit about their fair alternative to luxury perfumes. So guys, the first one I got is Florento Cedar Wood. Nice size bottle. They give you a, oh my God. Y'all, I smell this outside the package. Oh my gosh. They give you a nice size bottle and a sample so you can sample it. Oh my gosh. Let's get into this. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God. Look how big this bottle is. This is this is 50 milliliters, 1.7 ounces. Look how big this is. Snap on top, snaps on like that without a problem. Oh my God, guys, this smells so good. So this is Florental cedarwood. So I'm going to tell you the notes that it has. It has notes of madrian, cardamom, orange blossom. The middle notes are jasmine, sambac, cedarwood. The base notes are heliotrope, flower, amber, and vanilla. The inspiration is by Mugler, which is Alan Eau de Parfum. Y'all, that's the first one. We're gonna spray this because this is a sample, so this probably goes a long way, and that's how much they give you. They should have filled it up, but oh my God, y'all. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my God, it smells so good. So the next one I got is woody. Let's open up this one. Same thing. It has all the ingredients. It lists all the fragrances, all the notes, and you have a sample. So this one, the notes are bergamot, raspberry, strawberry. The middle notes are jasmine, orange blossom, pear, datura. Base notes are patchouli, white musk, and cedarwood. So that's that one right here. Everything is just simple packaging, just simple, simple, simple. Okay, let me tell you what my last one that I chose. This one is woody hyacinth. Like the baskets that I buy, the water hyacinths. The notes are hyacinth, lemon, pineapple. The middle notes are jasmine, pink pepper, patchouli. I love patchouli. The base notes are vanilla, vetiver, and orris. And it's called woody hyacinth. Let's smell this one. Y'all, I'm telling you, you can smell this through the packaging. Let's go up here. Y'all, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I am so, oh my God, like, oh my goodness, y'all. This is Chanel Chance Eau Parfum. So right here is what's the inspiration. The second row is the inspiration. You see that? The second row. This smells so good. Oh my gosh, y'all. So all of these are wonderful, okay? All of them. And like I said, it comes, y'all, this smells so good. This smells so good. Made in France, okay? Like the designer ones. These are inspired by the natural, regular items, the perfumes that you buy, like cost $200, $300. I'm not paying that. Vegan, cruelty-free, risk-free order, clean ingredients. So that's what that is. And this is, like I said, dossier. Y'all, 3 of these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bottles. I wanted to share them with you guys because I think it's a good choice. I think they're very sensible. I think they're very economical. And like I said, look at the packaging. Very minimalist, very minimalist. Clear bottle, cap automatically goes on like that. What can you say? Oh my God, and they smell so divine, so divine. So let me put y'all over here and I can show you guys what they look like again. That's this one, the woody. I have my cedarwood here. And I have, like I said, the woody hyacinth. So, hope you guys are inspired to maybe go visit and see what they have for you guys. And more than likely, they do have a coupon code that you can use. I thought it would be on this paper here, but it is not. So, I would like you guys to go check out the company Again, this is the company. So let me know what you think and were you inspired. Do you think you will be interested in going to get you some? Order you some. And yeah, I will see you guys in another video. So like I said, guys, I didn't want to leave this out. So remember that this does come with a sample. And if you're not completely satisfied, you can return these risk-free. It doesn't cost you anything. You just put it back in the box and return it, okay? And then two, guys, I'm going to be using this, like I said, to house my fragrances. So when I order more, because I already know it, because I'm going to order more and I'm going to give one to my daughter. I'm going to give her one, but this is how it's going to look. So I'll have layers. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like I said, please go and visit Dossier, and if you're not satisfied, let me know. But try it out to see if you like it, and leave me a comment and let me know. Are you a person who already has ordered from Dossier? And let me know what you think. All right, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for stopping by for another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all. I love you. Bye-bye.